Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkulisoko. Kaizer Chiefs bafethu ihoste i-match conference enye ikhipha ama-details we-club yet again. Seba-announcile i-coach e-Kaizer Chiefs uCedric Kaizer bafethu uyakhuluma laphana, ukhulume ne-media ukuthi uLuke Batman uzotraina ne-first team kodwa uzodlala ngama-weekends laphana ku-DDC team. Uthi-ke bazombona ukuthi mhlawumpe uzodlala maphi amagame laphana ku-first team, but-ke kuzoya nge-schedule. Kusho ukuthi uLuke Batman kune-chance ukuthi ahambe ne-DDC team aye lena e-UK bafethu noma eNgilandi labo odlala khona no-Manchester United no-Leeds. Confirm i-coach e-Kaizer Chiefs noma kuthiwa kuzotraina ne-first team adlale kodwa ama-match we-DDC team. Sobona ukuthi bazoline up kanjani izinto. Ngibone omunye ubhuti e-comment athi uyawadinga ama-minutes. Yes, uLuke Batman uyawadinga ama-minutes, athi i-DDC team ingamsiza, but my argument ukuthi uLuke Batman sedlale ku-professional setup for 2 years bafethu, udlale ku-PSL, udlale ku-NFD. So and then ukuya ku-DDC team iya ku-DDC team maybe leyo nto izomholda back, but at the same time uyawadinga ama-minutes. Ukuba ku-DDC team ukuthi a-regain leyo confidence yakhe possibly maybe kungamsiza even if angatravela ne-team or i-DDC team aye eNgilandi. Sobona ukuthi leyo nto leyo ngeke imlimaze na, ilimaze i-confidence yakhe overall laphana umfana. But yeah, uLuke Batman uze is super exciting in terms of ukudlala kwakhe na the way azakhele igama ngakhona. I remember abanye abantu they would say uLuke Batman is way better than uVelebay compared to ama-player. La coach bekabajimisa laphana ku-Cape Town Spurs, uyowasho kanjalo wathi hayi yena beka-surprise ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ifuna uVelebay whatever, Batman better than uVelebay. But guess what? Ama-player ayakhula at the same time aba way more matured, because at the end of the day it's not even about i-talent, kuya nge-hard work ukuthi you are willing to adapt and to do better and greater things bafethu when you are given an opportunity to play. So baya-understand ukuthi u-Kaizer Chiefs they have to up their level. U-Kaizer Chiefs-ke manje uVelebay uyozoba i-first team player kakhulu, preferred, and then uLuke Batman yena uzolonwa. Well, not akusiyilona i-team eyodwa, uzoba laphana ku-DDC isikhathi esiningi. Confirm i-coach e-Kaizer Chiefs manje bafethu in 1 hour ago so bebalaphana ku-conference. Another thing i-Kaizer Chiefs mina ngiyazi team kanje bayasho ukuthi bazodlala kanjani. uPeter Sino yi-captain e-Kaizer Chiefs manje, he was named captain just this week bafethu. Uyasho ukuthi usetshela abantu ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs izodlala kanjani nge-weekend. Now magamakhe uthe bazoqala igame nge-high tempo bafethu. Uthe into ebaluleke kakhulu laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi bona bangakorwa igoli noma i-AS Simba ingabakori igoli. Angazi ukuthi this is a good thing or a bad thing ukuthi njalo i-Kaizer Chiefs itshela i-media ukuthi izodlala kanjani, itshela i-media ukuthi obani abangekho. Ulokhu njana sibaconfirmile ukuthi ulo ngeke abe khona bafethu. Already i-team seyazi ukuthi izoplana kanjani. Ngcono lezi zinto lezi bazikhiphe uma bazodlala ne-team. Sebathe uKhanyisa Mayo ngeke abe available, kusho ukuthi njengoba limele uthintekile ngempela ukuthi ngeke abe available for i-CAF le match le enkulu kakhulu ezodlala Sunday laphana eDobsonville bafethu. Amagama kaCedric Kaizer, i-coach e-Kaizer Chiefs, ithi ulokhu njana uMayo out and then Inacio Miguel basalinde i-medical team ukuthi confirm ukuthi uzoba available or ngeke abe available. So imagine this, ama-team awenza ama-conference ayawenza but very calculative in terms of ukuthi bakhulume everything. I-Kaizer Chiefs yena uwenza every week. This week alone sebabe nama-conference awu-2 bafethu bakhuluma ne-media twice this week in the space of 7 days. That is why I need this week. So I mean, come on bafethu, i-team ikwazi ukuplana ahead, seyazi ukuthi Mayo lo creative oshaya ipali last week against thina, sebayasha besimba ngeke abe khona, bakhuluma ngalo mfana lo mncane uBatman ngeke abe khona. But bazoqala igame nge-high tempo, so bazoplana ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs baqale nge-high tempo, sebazokwazi ukuplana ukuthi baba-frustrate, ba-make sure ukuthi abakori first half. Imagine you start igame nge-high tempo but igoli awulitholi, and seziya kuboma-70 minutes, obviously i-energy level yakhe izodropa, and then-ke i-team le beyiloku i-defender ivele nje ihlale laphana emuva. They would plan around catching you kuma-counter attacks. Bazobheka abantu abanespeed abazokwazi ngempela ukukhosa i-havoc lapho. Lese ba-attack-e ngabantu abawu-2 kuphela, abawu-8 babatshela ukuthi defendani nini. We wanna frustrate this team until boma 75 minutes, 80 minutes, and then they try and go all out. Why? Because sebathole i-intel, at least bathole information bayithola i-hours before i-break ukuthi igame ukuthi ubani available, ubani ongekho available. Manje baney'nsuku ey'ngaka zokuplana ukuthi okay usibanibani akekho, possibly bazodlalisa lo muntu lo kanje nakanje, so bona sokumele baplane kanje. So yeah, they just need to shy away. Angisho ukuthi bangayi ku-media, bakhulume ne-media but ama-coach ahlakaniphe avela isikhathi esiningi meyobuzwa ngama-player avele athi ama-player ayajima wonke. Baqamba amanga ku-media direct because of ayisizi lento le ukhipha usowubhalile already uthi ama-player ilento le abayenzile a few days back babhala ukuthi ama-player awu-10 awekho available. So i-team ezodlala nabo seyiyazi ukuthi okay abekho available osibanibani osibanibani, kusho ukuthi abane-chance naba then ba-plan around labo bantu laba. Abazikhulumi izinto but-ke not everything okumele bayi-announce ku-media njalo. In 7 days ukhulume ne-media kawu-2 kuma-conference, uhost ama-conference, ubatshela everything about the team. Hayi bafowethu. But siyasithemba ukuthi they will try and get ama-results, which is the most important thing heading to igame yange-weekend. They have to qualify for ama-group stage. That's the most important thing for i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi ba-qualify for ama-group stage we-continental level. Leyo nto leyo izotshela i-continent yonke ukuthi okay they are back, and then sekuzobonakala ukuthi bazoperforma kanjani overall. Cause I mean like in terms of ibhazi ne-fan base ne-viewership, i-CAF iyayidinga i-Kaizer Chiefs because once wadlala i-Kaizer Chiefs bazobona ukuthi ama-numbers bafowethu a-serious azoba ngakanani in terms of i-viewership and the buzz online about the competition as long as the Kaizer Chiefs qualifyile for ama-group stages, right? So the desperate but i-coach ye-Kaizer Chiefs Cedric uthembise i-media noma ngithi utshela i-media ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs izoba lokhu njani, izo-qualify, usure ukuthi bazo-qualify, usho kanjalo, so they cannot afford ukuthi bangaqualify laphana for the second biggest continental competition in Africa. They have to do it for the fans. Also, they have to like do it for themselves ukuthi babonise abantu ukuthi abazanga nje ukuzo-add amanamba ku-continental level, bazocompete this time around. Abafuna ukunokhiwa out early, they just wanna be there, balwele isithunzi se-Kaizer Chiefs ne-fan base ukuthi okay they can brag if i-team yenza kahle kakhulu. But minimize talking to the media too much and giving everything a high bafowethu. I know it's very important for them to bridge the gap ye-brand, association, marketing side, but khona izinto okumele bakhiphe kuzo ba-surprise amanye ama-team ngoba it's not like ukuthi i-must ukuthi babatshele everything na bafowethu. So they have to try and minimize ezinye izinto laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. But sibafisela inhlanhla heading to the game yange-weekend, le i-must win game kumele ngempela bakwazi ukuthola amagoli. Danko bafowethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. Making sure bafowethu ukuthi le page lifika ku-15,000 subscribers heading to what 20,000 subscribers.